So in this video, you'll learn how to use the power button to end phone calls on your OnePlus 13. So whether you want to turn this feature on or off, all it does is simply allows during an active phone call for you to just immediately press on the power button and then the phone call will be ended. So in order for you to turn it on or off, you have to start by navigating to the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select Accessibility and Convenience. And then you want to tap on Accessibility at the top of your screen. From here, underneath the section General, you should see Press Power Button to end calls. So currently it's enabled, which is why whenever you try pressing on the power button, phone calls are not being ended. So to turn it on, just tap on the toggle like that. You may need to give permission for your accessibility settings to make and manage phone calls. So just agree to that so that you can be able to use this function. And then once that's happened and you're in an active phone call with a friend, a family member, or just talking to someone, and then during the phone call you decide, oh, I want to end this, I'm not ready to continue, or there's something that's going on and you want to focus on it, then all you need to do is just press on the power button like this and the phone call will be ended, making it easier instead of you having to just go back to your screen to end the phone call. If you want to turn it off because you've accidentally pressed on the power button when you didn't need to and the phone call has been ended, just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. And so now whenever you're in an active phone call, you have to press on the hang up button before you can actually do anything, before the phone call can be ended. And so that's how you can manage and use this feature on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.